Hello everyone, great to have you here today. Today we will go through a new feature of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Center called Extended Text for Project Planning Lines and see how it can make your project management easier. This feature was introduced in 2024 Release Wave 2 update and it makes project communication much easier by letting you add detailed notes, special pricing and instruction directly into your project planning lines. When you are managing a project, you often need to share extra information with your team, vendors, and customers. Earlier, you had to add this manually each time, which was time consuming and sometimes caused mistakes. Now, with the extended text, you can set up a detailed message once and Business Central will automatically pull them into your project documents. This will save your time, avoid confusion, and ensure everyone gets the right information in the right language and at the right time. So let's quickly go through how you can use this feature in this Business Central environment. So the first step is define extended text for an item. So click on global search icon and search for item and click on related link. This will open an item list page. Select any of the item from the item list. Now click on related item and select extended text. To create an extended text, click on new option from the above menu bar. I have already created one, so I will click on it and open it. Make the necessary setup like enter a language code or you can use all language code for all the language. Enter a description, enter a starting date for this extended text, enter ending date which is optional. Now at the line level, enter a text which you want to show on project planning lines. I have already entered a one line in the line. Now in the sales fast tab, select a relevant checkbox for document type where the user wants the extended document text printed. So I have already enabled this boolean for project because I want this extended text want to show on project planning lines. So that's it to set up a extended text. Now I want to use this item into a project. So I will go to global search icon and search for project and navigate to the project list page. From the project list page, select any of the project. Now, in the task level, select project line and click on three dots and go to project planning lines. Create one line for item and use the item. Now, to enter extended text, click on action function. Here is the one option called insert extended text which will create a extended text for this item. Click on it. This will create a extended text for this item. So that's it for this feature. This new feature makes project management in Business Central much more flexible and clear. You can add important details once and let the system handle the rest. It improves communication and reduce error and save time. A small feature with a big impact. If you found this video helpful, then stay tuned and follow more for Business Central tips and updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.